Our world is changing, and whether on an adventure or just getting through the day, being prepared has never been more important. Just a few short years, we've set crowdfunding records, appeared on Shark Tank, shipped our products to over 170 countries, and we've launched collaborations with some of the biggest brands in the world, like Harley-Davidson. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or not, our high-quality, award-winning products are designed to change your situation. Like our 72 and 72 Pro survival systems. They're not just functional, they're cool. It's everything you need for, well, anything, in one of the nicest dry bags on the market. It's like a superhero's cape designed to save the day. Or our family of first aid kits, from the revolutionary triage kit, an ultra lightweight first aid and gear repair kit designed to accompany you on your bike, your run, your hike, all the way up to the First Aid Pro, perfect for a campsite or a car. 2 USB ports, a flashlight, and this thing will jumpstart any vehicle on the road, the lake, the mountain, or the desert. And then there's our award-winning Rapid Raft. Thanks to its rapid inflation and its hyper lightweight yet extremely durable design, it's changing the way people explore bodies of water. Uncharted Supply is redefining the emergency and preparedness space, and there's never been a more important time to prepare ourselves for whatever might come our way, to make heroes out of the situation, to not be a victim and to be part of the solution.
Outside in extreme cold, without a way to protect yourself from cold, wet, harsh weather, you're facing a life or death survival situation. One that causes more deaths each year than every other survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person emergency shelter that will protect you from harsh weather and keep you alive. The Life Tent is constructed of extra thick, tear and puncture resistant material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Unlike an ordinary tube tent, the Life Tent's reflective interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protecting you from hypothermia. Simply run the 20-foot rope of 550-pound nylon core paracord through both ends of the tent and tie it between 2 trees or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Anchor the corners of the tent using rocks or gear and climb inside to safety. If there's nowhere for you to tie the paracord rope and prop up your tube tent, there's no need to panic. The Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes rolled up inside of a nylon stuff sack that includes our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring, combining 9-strand nylon core 550-pound paracord and a thunderous 120 decibel survival whistle that's powerful enough to cut through strong wind and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. And whistle, so you have the essential tools to stay alive and signal for help. Even though the Life Tent is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 8.7 ounces, it's durable enough for dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it back up, and slide it into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add a lightweight emergency shelter to your hiking, camping, or hunting bag for an unplanned night outside, or you need a tough, reliable survival tube tent for your bug-out bag or emergency preparedness supplies.
Natural and man-made disasters like flooding, wildfires, and basic service outages can threaten you and your family. Plan now to protect the ones you love with Ready Bag's 72-hour kit, your first line of defense against the unexpected.
Our goal is to provide the highest quality 72-hour survival kit at an affordable price for you and your family.
The 72-hour Ready Bag contains everything 2 people need to survive for 3 days, including an emergency tent, thermal blankets, ponchos, and food. A fire starter, water filtration system, LED flashlight, and solar-powered radio and cell phone charger are also included. In a non-disaster emergency situation, the 72-hour Ready Bag doubles as a first responders kit. Most people don't think of themselves as first responders, but if your child gets hurt at home, you're their first responder. The kit includes a tourniquet to stop life-threatening blood loss and medical supplies to treat cuts, allergic reactions, heart attacks, and much more. In a vehicle accident, a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter may be the tools that save a life, even your child's.
Keep it in your car, your office, or buy one for each. When the unexpected happens.
The Schrade SCHF 31 fixed blade full tang knife is designed for hard use in any weather condition. The 4.5-inch 8CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel drop-point blade is perfect for any light bushcraft or camp task thrown its way. With TPE handles and a lanyard slot, this knife stays under control in the user's hand at all times. Slip the knife in the thermoplastic belt sheath to keep it close at hand and ready at a moment's notice. This is the Schrade SCHF 31 full-tang fixed blade knife.
We're EST Gear, and today we want to introduce you to our brand new multi-tool, the EST Shovel. The shovel is a lightweight, packable, ultra-capable 18-in-1 hardworking tool that's the perfect companion for any adventure. The EST Shovel comes with a compact carrying pouch that fits easily into any backpack. It is also easy to assemble, and its military-grade aluminum handle ensures that it won't weigh you down. We've added a durable foam-like grip that makes it fun and easy to work with. The shovel has a hardened high-carbon steel spade, so it is built to last, no matter how you use it. But it wasn't just built for adventure, because it comes with many practical and important life-saving tools. Keep it in your car or truck so that if disaster strikes, you're always ready to go. The shovel is adventure tested, from traditional camping to hiking to survival readiness. We know what it takes to make an adventure great, and tools are a big part of that. Which is why we included all of the essentials such as a shovel, knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, whistle, and more. We call it the world's most capable tool because the EST Shovel is built to do it all and help you to have fun while doing it. We've been making high-quality camping gear for years, but this is our first product that we're selling directly to consumers. We have everything ready to start mass production and will be able to ship by June, but we need to meet the volume and manufacturing requirements, which is why, if you back our campaign, you'll save 50% off the shovel for helping us to bring this project to life. We chose Indiegogo because we want to create a community of like-minded adventurers who love great tools. Now, all we need is you.